In this video, we'll walk through how to configure the Member Connection tab under the Member Profile settings. These settings control how members connect, message, and interact with each other within your community. Let's get started. The first section is Connection Settings. This is where you manage how member connections work across your community. The Member Connection setting enables the ability for members to connect with each other. When enabled, members can send and receive connection requests, building relationships within the community. The settings below depend on this being turned on. Next is Messaging Restrictions. This setting allows you to require members to be connected before they can send each other direct messages. When enabled, members must first establish a connection before messaging another user. This helps reduce unwanted messages and keeps communication within a trusted network. This restriction does not apply to administrators. Finally, the auto follow setting automatically makes members follow each other when they connect. This means once a connection is accepted, both members will also see each other's activity without needing to follow separately. This option requires member connections to be enabled. Now let's move to Connection Access. The Connection Request setting lets you control which user roles are allowed to send connection requests. You can use the Select Role dropdown to assign permissions based on user roles. This helps you manage how connections are initiated and ensures only the right members can send requests. Note that this does not apply to administrators or group messages. And that's how you configure Member Connection. These options give you full control over how members connect, communicate, and build relationships inside your community.